Here 9 minus 1 gives us 8 and 9 minus 9 gives us 0. Then 0 times 8 gives us 0. But this answer absolutely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, where P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. Remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. Same rule applies addition and subtraction. So here in this expression, one is parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis are subtraction. So first we do parenthesis. Now 9 minus 9 times. Here inside the parenthesis 9 minus 1 gives us 8. Then we do write this expressions like 9 minus 9 times 8. Now here subtraction and multiplication. We know that multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So first we do multiplication. 9 minus 9 times 8 gives us 72. And then 9 minus 72 gives us 63 minus 63. This is the right answer. Another expression here is 8 divide 1 over 8 times 8. First we do 8 divide. Here 8 and 8 cancels to each other is 1. So 1, and then finally answer is 8. But this answer absolutely wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule, where P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. And we know that multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. So here in this expression only division and multiplication. So first we do division. Now first we write expression 8 divide 1 over 8 times 8. So first we do division. Before we division, first we follow the KCF rule, where K for keep, C for change and F for flip. It means 8 remains same and C for change, division convert into multiplication, and F for flip, where 8 denominator change into numerator position and numerator change into denominator. So 8 times 8 and times 8. Finally only here is multiplication. So first we do 8 times 8 gives us 64, and 64 times 8, 64 times 8 gives us 512. This is the right answer. Fifth.